Hello, my dear friends. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to leverage the power of AI technology and to build your wealth? Today, I am going to go ahead and show you a system that's been running for over a year now and providing results to our customers from all around the world. And I am going to answer your two biggest questions. Am I going to lose any money? And how does it work? So let's go ahead and let the disclaimer to run through, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Isabella Carolina. Today, I am going to be doing a review on a product about hands-free trading. We are going to be breaking down the major problem that we see in the industry with the automated trading investments. We are also going to go ahead and talk about the solution for you as well. Jump into what is Aithena. I will talk to you about this, and I am gonna even show you some live results on my FX books that have been attached to Aithena just throughout the course of this last year. We will also talk about the gains, the drawdowns. I also will share to you how you can start this if you like the product. And without wasting any more of your time, let's go and take a look at the future of the trading. One of our customers said, I was tired of failed AI after failed AI until I was introduced to Aithena. This has been my best year in trading due to her. So let's see why. Albert Einstein said, the compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it. While some people question whether the quote was in fact from Einstein, the power of compounding interest is unquestionable. We have a vision and we have a mission. The vision of our company is to help create an ecosystem where investors from all across the globe can have access to the best hands-free trading software, to disrupt the trading space and provide world-class services to over 1 million clients. The AI Economic Company was established in 2020. Our mission is to impact over 1 million lives using Aithena and teach people the power of compounding their gains. We will provide optimal service to customers using the most modern technology. When it comes to the major problem, past project failures have destroyed investors' confidence when it comes to investing in automated systems. And I was one of them, because I have tried one of these companies. It is listed here. Take a look at these companies like IPC, COTPS, MetaFielders, Smart Swaps, Hyperwares, Hyperfunds, Pegasus, Automated Capital, High Volatility, Martingale bots, countless Forex AIs and bots. I think some of you that are listening to me and watching this video, you find yourself here in this problem. Countless Forex AIs and bots that are promising from 20 to 30 to 40% a month, putting you in extremely high drawdown and potentially losing your account. I have seen this time and time again. It's sad because all of these have left traders and investors doubtful and frustrated about the industry. Billions of investors' money unaccounted for, all while regular people like you and me are left damaged. What is Aithena? Aithena is a leading software for algo trading. It is an artificial intelligence proprietary algorithmic software. No profit splits. You have 100% control of your own funds. You can withdraw anytime. You have monthly potential gains from 6 to 15%. The Aithena scans and analyzes multiple currency pairs looking for the best marketing opportunities. It is easy to set up and you receive a free VPS to it. The solution is to have the full control of your funds. Never give your capital to something or somebody you can't withdraw from. And this was a lesson for me also. A consistent growth. Be realistic. Who doesn't want 20, 30, 40% gains? The idea is a long-term growth and success. The investment strategy. Help increase your investment value with Aithena's conservative strategy. And look after a track record. 3 to 6 months of good growth in the financial market is not an indication of a successful project. Time for some results. What is MyFX Book? MyFX Book is a tracking software that tracks the performance of a trading account. It links directly to your MT4 or MT5 account and tracks the results in a very honest and ethical way and cannot be manipulated. Let's break down some results. Let's go ahead and jump into our first MyFX book. Here, before I really start breaking down any of the numbers, I do just want to point out a common thing you need to look for within. This industry is very shady, and you are going to find people that are trying to pass off demo accounts or unverified accounts as some real account. So when you are coming here, on the left side, you can see that this account has a name and it is attached to Aithena. It is a real account. They are using Vantage Broker and it has 1 to 500 leverage. It is working with on MT4. Another important thing that I want to point out, over here you see these two sections here, track record verified and trading privileges verified. You are going to make sure that both of these are indeed checked. As we see, this is a real account connected to Aithena and completely verified. Here on the left side, we have a lot of information. The percentage gain is over 500%, which is amazing. We can see the daily average percent growth. We can see the monthly, the drawdown. The balance is more than £5,000. Here we have equity, highest profit, more than £8,000. Interest paid £400. This person has deposited £2,000 and has a withdrawal already, which is very good. I recommend everybody to also withdraw money. This person has already £5,000 withdrawn. Here in this chart, we can see the growth. We can see that this account has been opened in 8th of November 2020. We see the beautiful growth. If we come to the balance, we can see that this person has deposited 2,000 in April, has withdrawn a part of money, and now in November has withdrawn another part of money. If we come to see the profit, we can see the profit by daily. And if we come to the drawdown, yes, it has been some drawdowns. Here we can see very little drawdown. And in November, because the economic system, we had a major drawdown. But even with this, Aithena has closed the month in profit. If we come here, today is normal, it's Saturday. It is no profit, but this week Aithena has brought already a profit of plus 1.65%. This month, for the month of December, we have just started and we have already 0.79%. And for this year, we have a profit of plus 150%. We have the number of open trades, 780. And if we come here to the profitability, we see that 588 trades out of 780 trades were won, which represents a 75%, and 192 trades were lost out of 780, which represents a drawdown of 22%. We come down, we can see here again monthly analytics from 2020, November and December. December, very good month here in 2020. And in 2022, the best month till now we have had in September. Let's come into our second account. Again, we can see that this is a real account, also a British account. This person is using the Vantage broker, a leverage of 1 to 500, and it is working on MetaTrader 4. Also, track record verified, trading privileges verified, which is really important. Gain of 87%. Daily profit, monthly profit, drawdown balance. This person has a higher balance, 30,000, a profit of 12, almost 30,000, interest paid 192. The deposit this person made was 70,000. And if we come here, we can see that this account was opened in April this year. We can see the beautiful growth. If we come here to the balance, we can see the initial deposit was 3,625, and in June this person has made a second deposit, and in July made a third deposit, and the account was constantly growing. If we come to the profit, we can see the profit by each day also. And if we come to the drawdown, we can see small drawdowns, which is very important. Here in April, this drawdown was because of the war from Russia and Ukraine. And this month of November was very difficult for everybody. If we come down, today we have no trades because it is Saturday, but for this week we had a plus 2 profit, for this month plus 1% profit, for this year plus 87 profit. If we come to the trades, we can see that open trades were 394 and 301 trades were won out of the total of 394, which represents 76% gain, and only 93 were lost, which represents 24% of loss. If we come here, we can see monthly analysis as well, and every month Aithena has closed with profit. And as I have told you earlier, November was a difficult month, but also Aithena has closed it with profit. So if you would like to start with Aithena also, I recommend you to watch the other presentation as well of the full company, where I tell you about the other products we have also. We have two packages, one with Aithena and one without Aithena. So please watch the presentation, and after you decide with which package you want to start. After all of this presentation, if you do like what you have seen, probably you wonder how to get started. So like I said before, by all means, jump, please, go ahead, go back to the person who sent you this video and let them know you are ready to get started. Ask them to send their sponsorship link, but if you are here, randomly stumbled upon this video, check the description. I'll drop mine and I'll be happy to work with you. Welcome to the AI economy family.